Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Emporium Numerical Challenge. Let's see the solution of the last question. So the last numerical was based on topological ordering, where a graph is given and we have to find out the number of different topological orderings of the vertices that are possible for this graph. So we know what's a topological ordering, that we have already seen in our lectures. So in order to find the topological ordering, the first step is we have to list the in degree of all the vertices. That means the number of incoming edges to a particular vertex. That's the in degree. The second step is pick the vertex with in degree 0 and delete that vertex. The third step is repeat this step 2 for all the vertices in the graph. And the fourth step is we stop when our DAG becomes empty. That is a directed acyclic graph. So let's first list the in degree of all the vertices of this graph. So the in degree for vertex A is 0, as there is no incoming edge. For B is 1, for C is 1, for D is 1, for E is 1, and for F is 2. So let's first delete vertex A as it has in degree 0. So when I delete vertex A, I get this ordering. So this A vertex gets deleted from here. And the in degree of vertex B and D changes. This becomes 0 and this also becomes 0. And the first vertex that we have deleted is A. Now I have two vertices with vertex 0, B and D. So I can take any of the two vertex. So this gives me two orderings. One is if I delete vertex B, then I write this. And if I delete vertex D, then I write this. Right? Now let's first complete this ordering. Let's call this 1. So if I delete vertex B, my graph becomes this. In degree of vertex C changes to